YouTube redesign concept. Almost all of us use YouTube every day. Despite the huge number of users, which is more than 2 billion, some UX solutions of this platform are imperfect, and the design is either restrained or outdated. That's why it was interesting to review the UX/UI solutions and find a balance between convenience and beauty. The result of our dedicated team's efforts is the successful creation of a new concept for the YouTube platform. Our solutions effectively addresses user pain points, provides accessibility, improves visualization, and enables seamless integration, ultimately delivering a more streamlined and user-friendly experience.